This video is about simplifying linear equations. So to solve multi-step equations, we want to use inverse operations to isolate the variable. When we do our inverse operations, first we need to distribute or combine like terms if we have multiple terms or parentheses. Then we need to add or subtract, and then we need to multiply, divide, or multiply by our reciprocal. So in the first couple, these are just two-step problems as a review from what we did the other day. So number one, 17 equals 2x plus 5. So I can draw my line to divide my equation into my left and right side. So first, I want to add or subtract a number away. So because it's plus 5, I'm going to subtract 5 on both sides. So we get 12 equals 2x. Then we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. So x equals 6. In number 2, we have 14 equals y divided by 3 plus 12. So our first step here would be to subtract 12 on both sides. So we get 2 equals y divided by 3. The opposite division is multiplying, so we're going to multiply both sides by 3. So y equals 6. In number 3, we have negative 3/4 h plus 2 is equal to negative 3. So our first step here is going to be subtracting 2 from both sides. Negative 3/4 h equals negative 5. Remember, to move a fraction away from the variable, we multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to multiply by negative 4/3. And in this case, it's not going to multiply evenly, so we're going to leave our answer as a fraction. So we should have 20/3. In number 4, we have 5.25m minus 8.9 equals 14.2. So the first thing we're going to do is add 8.9 to both sides. We get 5.25m is equal to 23.1. Then we can divide by 5.25. And we get m equals 4.4. Usually we want them in fractions, but because this problem already had decimals to start, we can leave our answer as a decimal. So now we're going to get into some multi-step problems. So notice in 6 and 7, there is a parenthesis there. So before I can solve with my two-step, I need to get rid of that parenthesis. And anytime we have a number touching the parenthesis, we use distribution. So we're going to distribute that 3. So 15 equals 3k plus 6. Now this is a two-step problem. So now we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. 9 equals 3k. So we divide by 3. K equals 3. In number 7, we have 1/2 times the quantity 6x plus 22 equals 8. So we're going to distribute the 1/2. 3x plus 11 is equal to 8. So I can subtract 11 from both sides. 3x is equal to negative 3. When we divide by 3, x equals negative 1. In number 8 and 9, notice that there's too many terms. So we have to combine like terms first. So we're going to combine these w's together. So 6 minus 2 gets us 4w minus 7 equals 9. Then we can add 7 to both sides. 4w equals 6. When we divide by 4, w is equal to 4. In number 9, we have two x terms. So negative 2x minus 4x is negative 6x. We get negative 15 equals negative 6x plus 9. So I can subtract 9 from both sides. Negative 24 is equal to negative 6x. When you divide by negative 6, x is equal to 4. Now in 10 and 11, we are going to have to use distributive property and combine like terms. So first, to get rid of our parentheses, we're going to distribute 3. So 18 equals 9x minus 9, 6x. And we can combine these x's together. 9 plus 6 is 15. So we have 18 equals 15x minus 9. Then we can add 9 to both sides. 27 is equal to 15x. When we divide by 15, that's not going to evenly divide, so we have to reduce our fraction. So the numerator and denominator divide both by 3 to reduce, or you can just use your calculator. Either way, you should get 9 over 5. In number 11, 5x minus parenthesis 3x plus 7 equals negative 71. So first we're going to distribute this negative sign. We have 5x minus 3x minus 7 equals negative 71. When we combine these x's, 5 minus 3 is 2x. 2x minus 7 equals negative 71. We can add 7 on both sides. So we get 2x equals 64. And when we divide by 2, x equals 32.